Apparently, a YouTuber has built a toilet gaming PC. Seriously. This is from a YouTuber, basically homeless. Huh. Let's see. The space in which I dwell is not my home. Are we talking about his house or his head? Okay, so this YouTuber apparently likes to build things, unusual things. It says here, I turned my toilet into a gaming PC. Now, I won't play all of this. I think this clip is about 10 minutes long. But apparently he bought stuff at, I guess, the Home Depot. I think he bought the computer parts at a Micro Center. That's unusual. I didn't know Micro Center had a toilet section. Anyway, he lists the parts that he bought on his YouTube channel here. And it says here he built a custom toilet tank with a motherboard tray, airflow, and water wall. I guess to separate the wall from the computer. Duh. He says, I know more about plumbing than I ever thought I would. Plus, I never have to stop gaming ever. I just sit there and go potty whilst gaming. First we had men and Playboy in toilets, then smartphones in toilets, and then we have gaming computer in toilets. So be careful. The next time you say, hey, that YouTuber is full of you-know-what, you might actually be paying that YouTuber a compliment. Boy, this gives a whole new meaning to the term Steam Deck.